Every language in this world has their own character set. For example, English. English has its own character set, like alphabets, small alphabets, capital alphabets, numbers, etc. So English has its own character set. Hindi has its own character set. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Bengali, Odia, all the languages in this world has its own character set. You use character set of a given language to read or write something in the language. In the similar way, programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python have its own character set. So in this video, we are going to learn about Python character sets. Python character sets. Character set is a valid characters that a language can recognize. Character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. And whatever you write in the Python script, that script follows Unicode encoding standards. Okay, hopefully you know about Unicode encoding standards. We already have talked about it. So Python scripts follows Unicode encoding standard. Means whatever you write on the Python file, that should be written in the Unicode way. That means A should be written in the Unicode style. Okay, all the characters should be written in the Python file in the Unicode style. Python have following character sets. Python have following character sets, using which characters we can write a Python program that is called Python character set. The first character set is letters. Letters means the alphabet, capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. Digits. Digits means the digit 0 to 9. Then special symbols. Special symbols. The characters comes under special symbols are space, plus, minus, streak, division, double streak, opening small bracket, closing small bracket, opening square bracket, closing square bracket, curly bracket, closing curly bracket, double forward slash. We will see all these symbols. We will see use of all these symbols. Equal to sign, not equal to sign, double equal sign, less than, comma itself, the comma, greater than, dot, double single quote, double quote, semicolon, colon, modulus, percentage sign, not, ampersand, hash, less than equal to, greater than equal to, at the rate, and underscore. This is underscore. So these many special symbols are used by the Python. One more category of Python character sets is white spaces. White spaces. You have blank space, then tabs, carriage return, new line, form feed. These characters are also used as a Python character set. There are a few more character sets used in Python. Other character sets are a Python script can use all ASCII and Unicode characters. Okay, means all the ASCII and Unicode characters can be used as Python character set. All Unicode and ASCII characters can be used in Python. So these are the character sets using which we are going to write a Python program. Okay, in fact we can use all the characters in Unicode in our Python program, but these characters are subdivided into various parts like letters, like digits, like special symbols. Okay, of course we can use all the characters in Unicode, but these three sets are used most of the time. Every component of a Python program is created using the character set. Anything in Python program gets created using a character set. Okay, of course, anything in any other language like English can be created just by using the character set. There is no other way to write something in a language. In the same way, to write anything in the Python programming language, you need these character sets. Okay, all the characters in the Unicode can be used to write the Python program, but most frequently we use these three character sets: letters, digits, and special symbols. So hopefully you got what the Python character sets are. In the next video we will learn about tokens in Python. See you in the next video.